This is the world of company secretaries. On this channel, you can watch interviews with company secretaries across the world. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. What is the vision of ICSI as a statutory body for the next 10 years? How it is going to evolve and what are the ideas of ICSI?
The role of the professional, you will find, is ever increasing. Huge opportunities at place, not only at a domestic level but also at an international level. And you will find, for example, like ICSI is already having 4 overseas center which has been established, that is in UK, US, in Singapore, and as well as in Dubai. Going forward, there are also a few other centers which are going to be opened, one in Australia, second in Canada, and third in Malaysia. So you will find that not only in the domestic but also in international, to tap the international market, our professional members, wherein who wants to join or who wants to travel abroad or who wants to create their own world in terms of creating their own, want to settle down outside India, you will find that these centers will play a very important and a huge role with regards to the aspect of becoming a company secretary. Similarly, we have entered with memorandum of understanding with various, last year in COVID-19, in 2020, we had entered into several memorandum of understanding. Around 18 memorandum of understanding with Indian Institute of Management we have done. Several MOUs have been signed, more than 50 MOUs we have signed with various universities, by virtue of which we can leverage the best of the talent in the IIM with the best of the talents of ICSI, with the best of the talents in the universities, so that the students who are the future of our profession, they will grow. So you will find what are the important points in memorandum of understanding. Our senior members or stalwarts can enter or can have participate in their webinars, programs, and have a discourse with them and tell them about what are the various practical aspects about conducting of board meeting, AGMs, practical analysis, so that the leaders who are coming out of IIMs, they are also prone or known about what and all are the hurdles which will come and how to face them at the real time situations. Similarly, ICSI, you will find the vision, and the vision of the ICSI is to become a global leader. So in order to become a global leader, there has to be a global presence, there has to be a brand visibility, and in that direction you will find 3 new centers are going to be coming in, and you will find that many more steps will be taken by the ICSI, by the council of the ICSI, to ensure that not only various recognitions, already we have made various recognitions with the various statutory authorities. In fact, couple of days back I had an occasion to also meet our honorable minister for the highways and MSME sector, Shri Nitin Gadkari ji, and wherein we had requested that commercialization of codes, there is a new concept which has come, commercial codes. So this commercial, rather than commercial codes, we have requested, why don't you have a commercial tribunal wherein specifically for MSME sector, by which you will find that instead of going for a litigation in courts and lingering for so many years in tribunal, that particular number of years could be number can be reduced, and instead of 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, here in an year or 2 or much lesser than that, the decision can be done. So it is only in the interest of the MSME sector and nation as a whole, so that it will make the ease of doing business as well as ease of living. So moment this commercialization of tribunal, in case if it happens, one more opportunities for our members to participate and to appear before the National Company Law Tribunal or various tribunals in by whatever name called which has been formed, for our members to argue, represent themselves before this tribunals.